guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video. I got a new synthetic wig and this is the very first ever blonde wig I'm going to try, and I'm really excited to share this with you because I have been seeing for the past month or so a very big hype on this Amazon wig that's supposedly $39 from Swetcurly, this company. Now the problem was that they don't ship to Europe. And I think now on Amazon UK there's one seller that ships to at least the UK with this hair. But outside of that, it's very difficult to get this hair. But your girl did research. I did a lot of research, lots of reverse image searching AliExpress, putting in different description words just to be able to find this wig. And it took me about an hour to an hour and a half before I found it. But finally, I found the exact same wig as Swetcurly that is available for everybody that does not live in the US or the UK. So just for those efforts, guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends and family, because you girl put in a lot of work to get this. So I compared this wig to the video that I saw from Swetcurly, and it is the exact same wig. It's also customized in front. You literally have to do nothing to it other than cut the lace, put it in your head, cut some sideburns, and that's it. It even has baby hairs already. What I love about it is that the color of the blonde, it looks really good on darker skin. It is my first ever blonde wig and I'm super excited and nervous to put this on. So this unit is from Dorothy Hair on AliExpress. It has a 13 by 6 inch lace frontal and it is in the color 103, 250% density, and it is a synthetic wig. In terms of packaging, the wig came in this package, which is surprisingly extremely similar to the package of Swetcurly, just a different design with this pink part right here. So my conclusion is that Swetcurly and Dorothy Hair are both using the exact same manufacturers of the wig and just had it customized in terms of packaging so they could sell it under their own brand. This one came in straight, but you can also order it in a body wave. But I thought, you know, if I just use my steam method, if you don't know what that is, it's linked up here, to kind of put waves in it myself if I want to. There's a huge parting space. It comes with 3 combs, 2 at the sides and 1 on top. I hate this comb on top, so I'll probably take it off and place it in the back because I like extra security in the back. And it has this adjustable strap here, but no elastic, which I'll also put in it at some point. The lace is kind of a light brown, transparent type of lace, so I don't know how that's going to look on my skin. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some powder foundation on this lace. So let's try this on. So honestly, for me, this cap is a little big. So I'm happy that it has the combs on the side. The hair comes with baby hairs pre-made and the front is quite well plucked. I might just need to pluck it here and there a little bit, but there's not a lot of work you need to do with this unit. It's really nice. So far I could say that the hair is really soft. It does tangle at the ends a lot, but it feels very real. So what I'm going to need now is a few clips to tie the hair back so I can start working on it. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I find cutting the lace one of the hardest things still, and I'm so afraid that I'll cut it wrong and then ruin my wig. So yeah. This is what it looks like on, and yeah, it actually looks really nice. The only thing is that it just tangles so much. This is the knotting situation that's going on right now. There's a knot right there. So guys, this is my new blonde wig from Dorothy Hair, aka Swetcurly, wherever you want to buy it. It took about 2 to 3 weeks to come on AliExpress and it cost me 41 euros, but on Amazon.uk it's about 37 pounds. So honestly, it's even where you buy it. I'm super in love with this wig, guys. The only thing is that it tangles, but yeah, that's a synthetic wig, and if I could get this color for 40 euros instead of 140 or even 240, I'm happy. So let me know if you guys like this video, because I like wigs and I like saving money, and this is literally the best of both worlds. So I am happy, my wallet is happy, my head is happy. If you appreciate my efforts on finding out where you can buy this Swetcurly wig outside of the US, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give it some love, like this video, share it with your friends and family, give them the deets and the ins on where to find this gorgeous wig. And my lashes are also from AliExpress, and I will also link them down below. My lenses are from TTDI, and I will still be doing a full video on the different lenses that I've got, because I bought I think 4 or 5 lenses from TTDI, and they are the best lenses I have ever tried. So there's a lot for me to share with you guys. And also don't forget to check out my other synthetic wig videos, like how I saved my synthetic wig from death, which I will definitely be using in the future on this wig, because tangles.